everybody, it's Amanda from scrimpingmummy.co.uk, and today I'm going to share with you the products that are in my October Stampin' Selections kit. It's based on the Joyous Noel suite, which is an absolutely beautiful suite. And if I just quickly grab the catalogue, we have it on pages 28 and 29 of your autumn winter catalogue, and we've got some beautiful inspiration here, and these are the products plus quite a few more that I have selected carefully to coordinate and go really nicely with the kit. Now if you purchase the kit, you can opt in to upgrade and add the stamp and the punch either separately or together as a bundle, and if you do add those to your kit, you do get an extra free gift, and you're also saving on postage because I can add these to the box with your kit in. So let's see what is in the kit. So we've got the beautiful Joyous Noel DSP, which is absolutely outstanding. It's opulent, it's luxurious, it's beautifully coordinated. All the colours go together, absolutely stunning. So those are all of the sheets, and you're going to get a full half pack of this DSP. And I send the DSP as they come and the cardstock. I don't cut them down, so if it comes in 12 by 12, that's how you receive it. So you will receive this in the full 12 by 12 size. So you're going to get a half a pack of that, okay? And it's saving you heaps and heaps and heaps of money because the kits are £21. That includes postage. I do only send them within the UK. But it saves you heaps of money, because if you had to buy full of everything here, the DSP packs are, I think they're £13. £13 just for the DSP. So the kit's £21, including postage. So just do the maths, you're saving an absolute fortune. And I can do them at this price because I sell a lot of them. I would go as far as to say that this is the best-selling Stampin' Up! Kit in the UK at the moment. I sell heaps of these. We've also got the copper foil sheets. You're going to get one of those in your kit, and these are beautiful. You can die cut them, you can use them for layering. Let's just open this pack and have a look. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely gorgeous. So you're going to get a full sheet, 12 by 12. I'm not going to cut that down either. So that's those. Just move those out of the way. I've just unpacked the box. I can pre-order these before I've even sold any, because I have quite a lot of customers who have subscribed to the 6 monthly. Some pay monthly, some pay 6 months all up front. But I know that I'm going to be selling a certain number, so that's why I can pre-order a lot of the products. You're going to get some of the striped treat bags as well. That's a sample pack. And I have selected 2 lots of cardstock to go with, because these colours are in the suite, so it will coordinate beautifully. And you're going to get Tranquil Tide and Merry Merlot, and I believe it's 6 sheets in total, so that's quite a lot of cardstock you're going to be getting. Okay, you're going to get a sample pack of the glimmer paper, which comes with the suite, and so it all coordinates beautifully. And if I'll just open this one and show you the beautiful colours, it's absolutely stunning. So there's 3 colours there. That's like a copper, and that's like the Merry Merlot, and that's like the Tranquil Tide. I think that's the colours in it. Let's have a look. Does it tell us? It doesn't tell us on the packet, but it'll tell us in the catalogue. But it just coordinates so beautifully. And then because it's a luxurious type of kit, I'm adding some of the shimmery white cardstock. Now this is beautiful for watercolouring, but because it's got that shimmer as well, it's going to add extra luxuriousness. That's the word I've just made up. It's going to add extra luxury. You know, all joking apart, this is a beautiful, beautiful suite. You're also going to get some of the... I'll open this one, because I'm going to be starting to prep these kits tomorrow anyway, so I'll open this. And this is the Merry Merlot and copper ribbon, which I can't seem to open. Let me grab one from my own personal stash. So it's this one. It's absolutely beautiful. absolutely a pure joy to work with as well. And you're also going to get some of the beautiful, if I can open it, mini sequin trim, which is awesome to add as an embellishment to any project. Absolutely stunning, really, really beautiful. So you're going to get some of that. You're also going to get a share of these, which are the festive farmhouse elements, and basically they're laser cut wooden shapes, and they've got like a grey base over the top, and the other side is like wooden, and you can paint them, you can emboss them, add them to your project. So you're going to get a sample pack of those. And I've also got these, which are awesome fun, which these are from a different suite, but the colouring of them coordinates, and these are the fun little paper clips, and we've got tree shapes and star shapes, so you're going to get a sample of those as well. Okay, now on top of that, if you buy my Stampin' Selections kit, you automatically can join my private and exclusive Facebook group, which is just for Stampin' Selection kit customers, and I post a lot of inspiration over there, ideas of what you can do with your kit. And on top of that, you also do get a PDF tutorial inspiration, and that is projects that I have created specifically using this kit to inspire the people that buy it, and then I put that on a PDF sheet with all the instructions and the photos. And those projects aren't shared on my YouTube, they aren't shared on my blog, I don't share them anywhere else. They are exclusive to go with the kit, and that is emailed to, you know, you've got to try your bit for the environment. So I don't print it out and send it in the box, I send it as an email, so that you can view it on your computer or your laptop, and you can print it out if you like and collect them, totally up to you. But that is another thing that you do get. So you will get the kit, and you'll get lots of inspiration too. So if you would like to purchase the October Stampin' Selections kit with this beautiful DSP, do let me know before the 14th of October. That is kind of like my cut-off point, so that I can make sure I've got everything ordered and people aren't waiting forever and a day for their kits. So I do have a deadline, which is the 14th, and then I can get them posted out before the end of the month in a timely manner. I aim to post out on the 3rd week of the month. Sometimes it does lap over to the 4th, just depending on basically how long it takes me to get the order in from Stampin' Up. Sometimes it's a little bit longer, as they don't deliver on weekends, but more often than not, it's the 3rd week of the month. Now, I have put a post over on my blog at scrimpinmummy.co.uk, and if you look at the top of my blog where there are banners, there is a section you can click which says October Stampin' Selections kit, and if you click that, you can see the full list of all of the products and services that come with this kit. So there's a rundown of it, and there is my email. You can just click it and email me. You can contact me on Facebook as well to order your kit if that's easier, and payment is by PayPal or bank transfer. I send PayPal invoices, and then you just need to check that your address is current on your PayPal, because that is the address that I will post it to. I think that covers it all. Anything else? No, I think that's about it. So if you'd like to try one of my Stampin' Selections, whether you've bought one before, whether you've never ever tried one, I can guarantee that these kits are absolutely, without a doubt, stunning. As I've said, I do sell quite a lot on subscription, and those ladies and gentlemen have this kit month in and month out without even seeing what's in it. They are that confident that my kits are the best and that they are full of yummy goodness. And the fact that they are value for money goes without saying. Always the best deal. So, order yours today, and you can get creating with the Joyous Noel suite. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.